Chemistry 0 to Hero Revision Challenge. Welcome back, Chemistry Heroes. Congratulations on completing Mission 1. And today, we are taking a journey into a world so tiny that no one has ever seen it with their own eye. The world inside the atom. Let's make a journey inside an atom. The secret word inside the atom in our course Chemistry 0 to Hero Revision Challenge, it's a journey into a world so tiny no human eye has ever seen, as you can see it enlarged like this. Everything around us, your phone, your clothes, the air you breathe, even your own body, all of this is made of atoms. But what exactly inside the atoms? Let's find out. Today's goals are identify the 3 subatomic particles and locate where each particle exists inside atomic structure, then learn the charge and relative mass of each particle and use atomic number and mass number to determine the composition of atom. Let's start our story time and imagine that. Imagine an atom as a tiny solar system. It's like sun, at the center, the nucleus, like the sun, and around it, tiny electrons move in energy levels similar to planets orbiting the sun. Although this isn't a perfect model, it is a great way to begin visualizing atomic structure. It's like this. The sun, right here, it's like the nucleus, and orbiting planets, it's like electrons in energy level, and as I told you, this model is not physically perfect, but it's optimal baseline for visualizing atomic architecture. Let's meet the 3 particles. First one is the proton. Lives inside the nucleus. Charge, +1. Relative mass, 1. And it determines the identity of atom. For example, if an atom has 8 protons, it's oxygen. If it has 6 protons, it's carbon. And change the number of protons and you create a different element. Number of protons indicate which element is here. What about neutron? The neutron also lives inside the nucleus, present inside the nucleus, charge 0, relative mass 1, and the neutron help to stabilize the nucleus. Atoms of the same element can have different number of neutrons. These are called isotopes. Look at this. 6 protons, but 6 neutrons in case of carbon-12 and 7 neutrons in case of carbon-13. These called isotopes. So atoms of the same element can house different number of neutrons and the identity remain exactly the same. This one is carbon and this one is carbon, but the relative mass changes. These are called isotopes. Let's talk about electron. Electrons move around the nucleus in energy levels. Charge of electron is -1. Relative mass almost 0 compared with proton and the neutron, but electrons are responsible for chemical reactions and bonding. Let's make a memory trick. Remember this. Protons are positive. Protons, B, are positive. Neutrons are neutral and stabilize the atom. Electrons are everywhere around the nucleus. So proton, positive. Neutron, neutral. Electrons everywhere around the atom. So that's what we said right now. Protons inside the nucleus, charge +1, mass 1, and determines the identity of element. Neutron 0 inside the nucleus, charge 0, mass 1, relative mass 1, and helps stabilize the nucleus. Electron, -1, orbiting in energy levels, and the charge, -1, mass almost 0, and responsible for chemical reactions. Now, let's start the part that you like it. We are talking now about challenge question number 1. Which particle determines the identity of an element? Is it electron, A, neutron, B, proton, C, nucleus, D? Pause the video. Ready? The answer is C, proton. Challenge question 2. Which particle has no electrical charge? Proton, neutron, electron, or nucleus? Pause the video. Ready? Correct answer is B, neutron. Challenge question 3. An atom has 11 protons and 12 neutrons. 11 protons and 12 neutrons. How many electrons does a neutral atom have? Pause. Think carefully. Ready? Correct answer is 11 electrons. A neutral atom always has the same number of protons and electrons. Now, for the previous question, we will start challenge question 4. What is the atomic number and mass number for the atom above? It has 11 protons and 12 neutrons. Take your time. We just need atomic number, mass number from these data. Let's start with number of electrons. We just said it's 11. A neutral atom always have perfect balance between positive protons and negative electrons. The answer is atomic number 11 is the same as protons, protons only. And mass number is 23, 11 protons plus 12 neutrons. Common mistake, many students confuse atomic number with mass number. Remember that atomic number, protons only. Mass number, protons plus neutrons. Electrons are not included in the mass number. Another hero challenge. I'll describe an atom and you solve it. It has 17 protons, 18 neutrons, and 17 electrons. Can you tell me atomic number, mass number, is it neutral, positive, or negative atom? Pause the video and solve it before checking the answer. Ready? The answer is atomic number 17, mass number 35, 17 plus 18. It is neutral atom because it has 17 protons and 17 electrons as well. Now we'll talk about hero score. Give yourself +1 point for each correct answer, and today maximum score is 5 hero points. Write your score in your notebook and keep a running total throughout the challenge. We finished the secret word inside the atom, and in the next episode, which is episode 3, are you ready to unlock electronic configuration? In our next mission, you will discover one of the biggest secrets in chemistry, which is electron configuration. Once you understand how electrons are arranged, chemical bonding becomes much easier to understand. Now, if today's lesson helped you, leave a comment with your hero score, challenge a friend to beat your high score. Do not forget to subscribe, because episode 3 is where chemistry really starts to come alive. Keep learning, keep practicing, and remember, every chemistry hero starts with one atom.